You have actually got your eye on a special woman, and you're thinking of asking her out. There's only one problem: she's taller than you. While this might appear like a cause for issue, it's not completion of the world. When it pertains to making a genuine connection, your character is a lot more important than your physical characteristics. If you ask females what sort of man they like, they will usually state, tall. If I were to ask you what makes a guy high, what height would he need to be, you will most likely state what? 6 foot or more, right? You'll most likely say that the guy has to be 6 foot or taller. To utilize America for instance, 14.5% of the adult males in America are 6 foot or taller, leaving 85.5% of males being less than 6 foot. Now, let's take a look at the average height of guys per country in a number of nations, so you can see that it's practically the very same in a lot of nations around the world. 731 meters. United States, 1,763. Australia, 1,748. Norway, 1,824. Spain, 178. South Africa, 169. Ghana in Africa, 1,695. United Kingdom, 177. Iceland, 1,798. Those numbers are for men who are 18 years of age or older, so it consists of older males who are typically a little bit much shorter than they were when they were more youthful males. 5% of the male population are taller than 6 foot. If you take a look at the average heights of other countries, you'll see that it's quite much like the US, so you can assume that the very same applies to quite much every other country out there. In countries like Norway, where the men are taller, there will be a greater percentage of men who are 6 feet and above, but normally speaking worldwide, a lot of men are not 6 foot. So, how can you bring in women if you're not high, if you're not 6 foot or greater? The way that it works is that when a lady is asked what sort of guy she likes and she states, tall, what she's actually stating, in many cases is, I desire a man who makes me feel safe. A high guy triggers her instinctive need to feel safe around a man so a guy can protect her. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.